My experience working with the Kentucky Primary Care Association and AGI on the build out of these trucks has been tremendous. I have reached out to have direct communications with AGI multiple times on what our particular truck would be like, and they have been quick to respond and so helpful to ensure that this could meet the needs of our community in Southeast Kentucky.
I'm Eric Harrison, CHW Supervisor at Community Medical Clinic. It's been a great experience so far. I'm really impressed with the mobile units, and I can't wait to learn how to use every aspect of them.
My name is Dustin Black, and I'm a certified community health worker with Kentucky Care. Sure. KPCA and AGI have made it possible for us to be able to take medical care and serve below the poverty line with incentives like the mobile health unit and things like that. It makes our job a whole lot easier to be able to serve the least, the last, and the lost.
My name is Michael Thurlman with Primary Plus. I'm the Chief Financial Officer and Chief Operating Officer. Our experience with KPCA has been going on for many years. It's been a great experience. The latest addition obviously is this mobile unit, and we've had a great experience working with them on this, with AGI as well, and the mobile units turned out terrific.
I think it went really well. The clinic seemed to be really happy with the trucks, and they had a plan to use the trucks, but after seeing them, the plans are changing a little bit, and so those conversations were fun to listen to and be a part of. So we're looking forward to seeing what they do with them when they take them home and how they can use them to benefit their communities.